Is Booking.com worth it? Let's review. Links are below. Booking.com connects you with hotels, flights, rentals, and even attractions. It's perfect for budget travelers and luxury seekers alike. Planning a solo trip, family vacation, or business stay. Booking.com simplifies everything. Discover millions of properties worldwide, hotels, apartments, hostels, villas, even tree houses. The customizable search filters let you refine by price, rating, type, and reviews. Transparent pricing shows all costs upfront, no surprises. Plus, look for genius program discounts and rewards. Multilingual and multi-currency support makes it globally accessible. The mobile app lets you book on the go and access details offline. 24/7 customer support is available via chat, email, and phone. Secure payments and verified reviews ensure peace of mind. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, Booking.com offers convenience and choice. Try it for your next adventure. Check the links below to explore and start planning.